Welcome to the Door Clearance Center. Today we're going to take you through our store. We're going to show you iron doors, we're going to show you fiberglass interior, all manner of doors. Now if you notice as we walk along this, we have everything from wood doors, interior, pet doors, iron doors. So let's talk about iron doors just a little bit. As we come around here, you'll notice we have many exterior 3.0 by 6.8 iron doors. This is our Tiffany 4 light. This glass, you can open it from the inside. It moves on its hinges. This is our Aquatex privacy glass. We have two other options of clear and frosted for your house. Now, we also have the 8-foot by 8-foot tall options. You're going to notice these iron doors. This is our modern collection. It's going to have these silver accents. In addition, it's going to have a pull bar and only one bore for perhaps a touch keypad. A very popular modern design 4 light with the privacy Aquatex glass. But wait, there's more. We have some 300 iron doors in stock here at the Door Clearance Center. We have 18 styles of interior doors available here at the Door Clearance Center. This style is our 5-panel shaker. Notice this distinct characteristic of shaker doors, this 90-degree cut-in angle. This can be painted to your color of choice. If you'd like to stain the option, we have the Knotty Pine available. This is our 2-panel arch with the V-groove insets. We have other interior door options available for your house. Let's say you have the 8.0 option, that comes in the 6-panel shaker. Let's say you want to go back to that traditional, well, we have this clear pine traditional 6-panel option and many more interior door styles. Welcome to Barn Door City here at the Door Clearance Center. We have the K-bar interior door style and also the 2-panel arch V-groove. Notice these are the wide 42-inch opening barn doors by 7 feet tall, enough to go cover your 36 wide by 6.8 opening. So that extra few inches is what you need. These are our fiberglass door options. We have the pecan style fiberglass, that denotes the finish. We have the white finish, we have a black finish. Our white finishes you can paint to the color of your choice, whatever you're going for. We have the 4 traditional light fiberglass doors. We have the Craftsman style 6 lights. We even have the old speakeasies and many more fiberglass door options, including the old oval Texas Star, the mini blind, even a pet door. And we have different size pet doors. Now let's transition to our traditional raw wood. This is mahogany species. This is done in our 6 light arch top, 6.0 by 8.0 tall. Also available in different widths, a 5.0 and a 6.0 and 5.4 available. Also done in our square top option for that more traditional look. You can stain these to the depth of color of your choice, whatever you're going for, from browns to reds or just a light clear coat. This is our speakeasy grill over the top of this knotty alder species of door. Notice the natural reoccurring knots in the door. That's because when they felled the tree, it was a knotty alder species of wood. That's why there's knots. Now, let's look at the same species of wood in our front and back doors done in our 4 light. This is a 3.0 by 6.8, also a 32-inch for a back door with the clear lights and again the natural reoccurring knots in the wood. If you don't like the knots, then come back to the mahogany. Again, our 32-inch version and our 3-foot version for a front and back door option. And what did they do next? They made a modern version with that 5 light shaker style version of door. This is our butcher block countertop options. Now we have 3 different species available. We have the Senna, the Hevia, and Acacia. All the different species have different characteristics. They come in the 8-foot wide, the 10-foot wide, the 12-foot wide, even our new 3-foot wide for an island. This will look really nice in your kitchen. What if you have a little bit more room on your back door? You want to change out the sliding glass door? Well, we have our patio doors available in fiberglass, low maintenance, a steel door option available with the full light, but also we have the mini blind option. Let me show you how they work. Now these mini blinds, they louver, they raise independently, one from the other. They come in steel and fiberglass, so you want to shut out the light, have some more privacy. But also too, we have other external 15 light grills available down here. And also too, we have the triple fiberglass door available. So we've seen interior doors, exterior doors of all shapes and sizes. Let me show you one last one. Notice the gradual arch on this one. This is just one part of a door. It opens here, it opens in the middle as a double door, and finally the third leaf of this 16-foot iron door is available. All these doors, come on down and get yours at the Door Clearance Center.